Well, good morning everyone. I hope you guys enjoyed that sunrise. We had some out of this world colors. So right now we're all just grabbing some coffee and getting ready for breakfast. But it is going to be a beautiful day here at Lake Guntersville. So we'll see you guys around. All right guys, we've discovered a massive wasp nest.
I'm hoping that when I hit the nest, that this won't fall. I want to keep that open. Oh, it's in the wire is in it. That's why. There's the metal ground wire. They've adhered it to it. That's why it didn't come off.
Look at that. So today has been a pretty awesome day. I haven't gotten a whole bunch of footage because when you film a lot and when you're jumping from video to video, it's very easy not to be present and in the moment. And so on this trip, I just really wanted to make sure that I was being present, that I was enjoying, that I was hanging out and having a good time as well. So I haven't gotten a lot of video today, but it's been a great day. We've done some relaxing, we've watched some football, and we've eaten a whole lot of delicious food, so it's been really fun. I figure it's time to probably give you guys a tour around so that way you know what the campus looks like, because we are on Lake Guntersville, and this is located in Alabama, and it's about an hour from Huntsville, Alabama, and it's just a gorgeous place. They have such a great campus here. I think what so many people appreciate or like most about this campus is the pool. So anytime it's hot and you got these long summer days and you're able to cool off beside a pool, that's always really nice. Now there are 2 bunkhouses here on site, and inside each bunkhouse is 2 different rooms. Not sure if you guys can hear that or not, but there's thunder right now, which is really cool. So it looks like it might start storming. But inside each bunkhouse is 2 different rooms. So there's 4 kind of individual rooms that have bunks in them. And then there's also a volleyball court. So if you enjoy playing some volleyball with friends, that's a huge part of this campus as well. And then the gymnasium, which is attached to like their fellowship hall. Absolutely awesome. I mean, it's got basketball court, it's got ping pong tables, cornhole boards. I mean, just a place to have fun when it might be raining or storming outside. Now this campus is kind of located on a peninsula here on the lake, and so it's got lots of beautiful pavilions. Some of them are bigger, some of them are smaller, but these pavilions overlook the lake, and so it's just a really nice area for you to have some quiet time with the Lord and to kind of peel away from all of the great games and laughter and fellowship and just get some one-on-one time. Lots of people have actually hung hammocks, and so they are enjoying just some time laying in their hammocks while they're taking naps, or maybe they're reading a book, but it's just a relaxation kind of thing. There's several docks that are here that kind of go out into the water, so you can fish from these docks, or you can use these docks just to watch the sunrise in the morning time. There's also a few kayaks and canoes and these, not paddle boards, but they're like pedal boats kind of thing that you use to pedal, and it propels you forward. So there's just lots of stuff to do. There's even a little playground behind me, so if you have smaller kids, they can enjoy playing on the playground. Overall, this campus has been a favorite. This is the first time we've been here in 5 years, and so from where it was then to where it is now, you could tell it's just beautiful. They've done such a great job. So if you're looking for a place to take a large group, maybe for your church or your youth group, or maybe as a getaway that's located in the Southeast, I can't recommend highly enough Marshall Baptist Retreat Center. They just done a wonderful job. And Jeff, who is the guy that has really been making our stay feel like home, I mean, he works so hard. This guy is very personable. He wants everybody to have a great time. So I just can't say enough good things about Marshall Baptist Retreat. It's beautiful out here on Lake Guntersville. The clouds have rolled in, so it helps to combat a whole bunch of that heat. I feel like the temperature has cooled off probably like 15 degrees in like 20 minutes. It's crazy.